Probe is now intensifying to nab Saif Ali Khan's attacker. A new picture of the suspect has now been accessed by India Today. The police so far has questioned close to 50 people with regards to this case. Saif Ali Khan's staff has also been questioned by the police. Several pictures have now come to the fore with regards to the attacker who attacked Saif Ali Khan. A new picture of the suspect has now been accessed by India Today. Police so far has questioned close to 50 people with regards to this case. Saif Ali Khan's wife, Kareena Kapoor Khan, has also given her statement about this case. Saif Ali Khan's staff is also being questioned by the police. My colleague Vidya is now joining me on the story. Vidya, picture after picture we are seeing coming to the fore, and now we are seeing a new picture of the suspect, the one who attacked Saif Ali Khan, which has been accessed by India Today. We'll try and reconnect with my colleague Vidya. What we know at the moment, this attacker has been changing his appearance over the past 2 days. The police so far has questioned close to 50 people. My colleague Vidya joining me on the story. Vidya, a new picture of the suspected attacker has been accessed by India Today. So far, close to 50 people have been questioned by the police with regards to this case.
Well, the Mumbai police has, tried to find out if this accused has any history, whether he has done this kind of an act before. And what they feel is that, what they've realized is that he does not have any criminal antecedents. He has not done something similar to this or has any crime record on his name. They have checked through all their records. They have not found any. And what they feel, they have now also been trying to get in touch with anyone who could give them a lead to his family or friends. That has also been negated. There's no help coming in from that front as well. Also, the biggest problem that Mumbai police is having is that he doesn't seem to be carrying a mobile, and that's one of the reasons why, only CCTV grabs. And this person is just keeps changing his clothes. He keeps moving from one location to the other. Probably what the Mumbai police feels is that he's just using the Mumbai railway network, the famous Mumbai local, which is always very crowded, and he's roaming around on that. So it's a little difficult to track him down since he's moving so much. He probably might have left Mumbai or somewhere is still there, but just not being able to, because just CCTV grabs, someone sees him somewhere, then they take a grab of him, but by the time they reach there, he's moved on. The kind of technical help that generally Mumbai police gets from, say mobile networks or the CCTV cameras, that's really not really much helping, and that's one of the reasons why they now have to depend on their human network. They're trying their best, releasing CCTV grabs, trying to make sure that any history sheeters who seems to be known. Last night we saw at this Bandra police station itself about 40 to 50 people being brought in, being questioned. Almost everyone who has a history of housebreaking was being brought in, being questioned. So the network of khabris that we used to hear in movies, that's the one really activated right now by Mumbai police, and they're really trying to make best use of this network that they have. But they still feel, because he might be anywhere, so the photographs have been released everywhere to ask people to help out in case anyone has seen this person.
Right. Thank you, Vidya, for giving us those details. A very important point being made by my colleague Vidya. Close to 50 people have been questioned in the case. The police now also making sure that they are using all their resources possible, and that's the reason why we are seeing a lot of CCTV grabs now coming to the fore with regards to this suspect, the one who's attacked Saif Ali Khan right in his house in the wee hours on the 16th of January. My colleague Sana is also joining me on the broadcast. Sana, one thing that the entire film fraternity at the moment is looking at, there is a little bit of an unease, and we can feel that in the conversations, we can feel that in the post that celebrities are now putting out. They also believe that the law and order situation, especially if we speak about areas like Bandra, is something that now seriously needs to be looked at.
Absolutely, Ashwarya, and the fact that this incident happened inside Saif Ali Khan's home is a matter of concern for everyone, regardless of their industry, regardless of the position, their status in the society, and especially celebrities. Like it was first Saif Ali Khan, then of course Baba Siddiqui's murder, and now Saif Ali Khan's attack that has kind of left everyone concerned. The industry, the fraternity, there are organizations, committees, they are all talking about how the safety of these celebrities needs to be implemented. There needs to be a law and order. Of course, we also got to know that the Mumbai police mentioned how one of the suspect was also wrecking Shah Rukh Khan's house. So hence these celebrities are at the limelight right now for all the wrong reasons, and everyone, Shahid Kapoor spoke about it at an event yesterday about how this matter is so concerning because it happened inside the house, and they are also talking about how the paparazzi culture has kind of given access to everyone about the locations, about the whereabouts of these actors, about where they live, and hence there needs to be a new a system where the protection of these celebrities needs to be the focus right now. And after Saif Ali Khan's attack in front of his family, in front of his kids, there is a concern around everyone, and especially in areas like Bandra where so many high profile celebrities stay. Everyone is talking about, and they are all looking up to the authorities to help them and to find a solution to this issue. Of course, Salman Khan's issue had a history, and they are all the Baba Siddiqui's issue had a political angle, but Saif Ali Khan's attack right inside his home has shaken up everyone, and everyone is looking forward that the authorities, that the Mumbai police, that the government find a solution to this.
Sanaya and Vindhya, thank you for joining me, giving us regular updates from Mumbai with regards to what's happening if we speak about the scam and what the film fraternity at the moment is seeing with regards to this attack that has taken place. Brutal attack, 6 stab wounds, Saif Ali Khan